Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change Steam profile. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam profile. So a lot of people doesn't know how to change their Steam profile. So right now, I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam profile. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Steam. Once you're here at your Steam, click on the top right here. As you can see, there will be if you don't have a profile, this will be a question mark and your username. Then after clicking that, click on View My Profile. After viewing your profile, click on Edit Profile. There we go. After clicking on Edit Profile, this area, profile name, you can change your profile name right here. For example, let's let's say Fire One. Let's Fire, make it KD Fire One. There you go. Then just click Save if you want that, and you can add a custom URL if you want. And avatar. To change your avatar, just go here. And to get one of these frames, as you can see right now, there's frames right here. To get these frames, okay, let's change my frame first. I'm gonna change it to this one. Take it and save it. After that, there you go. To get these frames, I made a separate video about team points. Just watch that, and then it will show you how to get this and where to buy them. I hope you guys watch that. And then here are the avatars you can choose. But right now, my avatar is plain. So you can upload your own avatar right here, as you see. Just click by clicking on this, you'll just go redirect to your files, and you can choose which avatar you want, or you can choose here from the available avatars that you have. And the profile background, as you see right now, and this one, if you want this kind of what they call this background, you can also see it on my other video about team game points. So right now, let's choose this because it's the only one we had. And then we have mini profile if you want. And team, here's are the team, the colors. Make it this one, summer. Oh, I like the pink one, cosmic. And feature badge if you want to add a feature badge. And there you go. That's how you change your profile in Steam. And a little bit of the tip for you guys. You can also choose which country you want. For example, we can choose any country that you want to display. Let's choose Philippines because we're Filipino. So let's go find Philippines. There we go, Philippines. And we don't need to add that. Then you click save. There you go. You see my name right now is KD Fire One Philippines, and as you can see, I've changed my cold thing into a glitch thing. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.